sleep today. Talking about to sleep today. Saying to sleep today. Talking about to sleep today. Saying to sleep today. Talking about to sleep your way. Saying to sleep today. I know you want to sleep today. Saying that if you need to sleep, do you need someone just to sing a song? I'm over here today trying to go get you a sleeping song. If you is tired, need to lay down and just close your eyes. Now I'm over here today giving you a sleeping song. Because I want you to go over there and sleep today. So I'm over here giving some so you can sleep today. I know your body needs some rest so you can sleep today. So everybody wanna have some fun but they sleep today. So when we doing this and we doing it just for you, just for you. We want you to get your rest and do it for you. So I'm doing some and I want you to go sleep. Say sleep today and you know we still gonna meet. Say that everybody saying, do you wanna get a sleeping song? So you can sleep today with your sleeping song. Talking about to sleep today. Can you go and sleep today? Talking about to sleep today. When you gonna sleep today? When you gonna sleep today? When you say you sleep today, want you to sleep today and go sleep your way. Saying, do you sleep on a bunch of pillow or do you sleep on a bed? Do you even have the old school and it's called a water bed? Do you even have somewhere that will go and keep you warm? Or do you like the cold when you sleep? Everybody when you getting cold. Saying that do you wanna say that you know that you need to sleep today? Oh yes, I'm over here giving some so you can sleep today. Saying to sleep today. Talking about a sleep today. Do you wanna sleep today? Can you go and sleep today? All you gotta close your eyes and go and get some rest. And I will rub your feet so you can sleep today. I can rub your back. I can keep you warm when we sleep today. You can sleep today. Do you need some company? Do you want some sleep today? Do you like the cold when you sleep today? Talk about a sleep today. Do you want to sleep today? Can you go and sleep today? When we want to sleep today. Talk about a sleep today. When we stay to sleep today. Talk about a sleep today. Please get your sleep today.